Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. We did before the Rallye 19 and now we are going to design the Rallye 21. We are coming a long way. Few years designing GS motorbikes. So this time, for this one, we put the center part in blue, the side panels in white over the gray area. Underneath, we have as well gray map following up to the red side, which is under the handlebars, which link to the peak, where are the letters R1250. Protects your bike and makes your bike cool. Why not? BMWworldstickers.com. Hope you like it and safe rides.